So these are the 10 plus bonus tips that you need to know to look confident and have that signature style of yours and also look presentable every single day. Hey guys, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So looking presentable is going to be divided into two parts. One is self-analysis, another one is styling secrets. With these two, I'm also going to give you guys some bonus at the end of this video. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first step is to understand your style. So if you ask me what is my style, there's going to be three words that I would like to describe. One is classy, elegant, and modest and sophisticated, if I have to add another one of it. So these are the keywords that I like to search and get products and recommendations for myself. So understanding your personal style is very, very important. So for example, somebody likes to dress very modest, not revealing their body and skin. Somebody likes to reveal a little bit, like for example the hands, the neck, and somebody likes to wear crop tops and somebody might not like to wear the crop tops. So it is entirely upon you what you're gonna like, what are the kinds of places that you visit, what are the kinds of things that you do, and according to that you're gonna pick up your pieces. So the second and a very important thing is to finding out your body type. So everyone has a specific body type, and the personal style helps you understand what are the type of clothes that is according to your body types that's gonna suit you. So for example, if you are a pure shape body, tight leggings might not suit you. And if you're somebody who are very skinny, the oversized dress might look really good on you. So understanding body type is very, very important. And so a third and a very important thing is to understand your face shape. So if you see me, this is the analysis that I want you guys to do. Wear a same color dress that has like a same background. Put in your hair backwards into a ponytail or a bun and analyze the ends of your face. How does it look? I have a proper oval shaped face where I have particular oval. Everyone has a face shape. According to that, selecting jewelries will look really good. I like wearing little hoops, which looks really good on my face. I can also wear big chunky earrings depending upon their shapes and sizes. So the fourth and a very important thing is to understand color theory. So color theory is a very, very important and a very vast concept. So in that, understanding what color suits good on you, what are your colors, which season you fall in, plays a very, very important role. This I cannot be explaining in one chunk of the video. I will take an entire video and make a color theory or color analysis video. Fifth one is a pro tip. So identify somebody, maybe a celebrity or a public figure who has a same kind of body type and a similar kind of styles that you have opted, like a personal style, and make a Pinterest board, add everything that you like, and when you're purchasing for something, some outfit, check for what is in your Pinterest and go according to that. This will help you save money and also understand. You get a catalog of how somebody in your similar shape looks like when they wear a certain kind of clothing items. So this gives you a brief idea. You need not hire a stylist, you can become one if you do this. So coming to the next segment of the video, that is styling secrets. So understanding how you wear your clothes. Wearing and styling is two different things. People tend to get confused in both of these things. So coming to the first point of styling secrets, the first thing is balancing your outfit. So you can balance your outfit either in textures, silhouettes or colors. So coming to the colors, for example, having a monochromatic outfit or having a black and white combination or having a darker and lighter combination or going with pastel colors, muted colors, or going with pink and pink top and a pink pant. So all of these things are, coordinating your outfit according to color. For example, I have another really important example to give you guys. For example, you're wearing a white shirt and a black pant, and you're wearing a black bag, and with a black boots or with a black pumps. So this makes you look really, really pretty. You have to match your outfit with colors. So the second type of matching or balancing can be of textures. For example, if you've worn a jeans or for the bottoms, you can go in with a linen shirt. If you have worn a jeans top, you can go in with a legging. Or what you can also do is, if you have worn a woolen sweater, you can go something very soft on the bottoms. So these are the kind of thing that you are going to balance in the textures. So coming to the silhouettes. So what is a silhouette? Silhouette is basically the flow of the cloth. For example, if you're wearing an oversized top, then go for a structured and very slim fit kind of pants. If you've gone in with a baggy pants, you go in with a crop top or a top which is very fitted. So this is how you balance your style, and this is how you balance your outfit, and this plays a very important role, and this is also a very game-changing technique. So the next one is choosing a really good quality of fabric. So I tell you something, going for cheaper products, I have done this. This is one of my biggest mistakes that I have rectified and worked on it over a period of time. So initially I used to buy cheaper stuffs that used to look good, and it used to go tone, or like the bubbles of the lint used to come on the fabric. This is something that I avoid now. I go for very good fabrics. I try to pick out fabrics that flatters on my body, as well as stay with me for like longer time. If I see lint or something, I would like to throw it and replace them with the newer products. For example, this is a pure cotton shirt. This is very good for summer as well as winter, and this is a really good brand and of a good quality. So you have to be very particular in choosing your fabric. Next, and probably very underrated trick, is to ironing your clothes. So if you have creases and everything, even the branded clothes doesn't look good. So ironing just elevates your look. It just brings out a lot of confidence in yourself, as well as the people who looks at you will think that you have put in a lot of effort to get ready, where you have just done is just ironing your clothes. So the next and a very important thing is choosing your accessories. So accessories just elevates the way you look. For example, a watch. A watch can never go wrong. I have an analog watch that I would like to wear it with a lot of bracelet, or sometimes a single bracelet. And I also like to wear a lot of rings. I like to wear hoops, chunky hoops and little hoops, and studs. So jewelry plays a very, very important role in elevating how you look. For example, I'll show you a really good example. This is good, but this is very basic. This on the other side looks a little bit more elevated. It's like you have put in a little bit of effort to get ready, but it just brings out that style of yours. So choosing your accessories plays a very, very important role. As I said, understanding your face shape and your personal style will help you decode your personal jewelry as well. So the next and the very important thing is to understanding and investing on really good quality of basics. For example, what are the things that you wear on a regular basis? Maybe some t-shirts, basic t-shirts, shirts, jeans, trousers, and blazers if you're working, or even if you're going to the college, and buying really good branded shoes which will last you for a really long time. I'm not asking you to spend a bomb on all of these things, but having decent quality of basics will help you save up money for a longer time. Rather than buying it frequently, you buy once in a while, and that will stay with you for a longer time. Again, these are very, very minute things that we tend to miss out, and these are the things that's going to bring out your style and aesthetic really well. So if you have stayed up until this time of the video, then I'm very grateful for you. Congratulations. Here are my bonus tips for you. So the first bonus tip is to understand your signature makeup look. Get a signature makeup look for yourself. If you want a help for that, I have a video that I've already done where I have recorded my signature makeup look, which I can put in up around 10 minutes and which I can wear it on a daily basis, on an everyday basis, and I still won't get bored. It doesn't take much of a time and gives you a really presentable look. So the next bonus tip is to having a skincare. Go to a dermatologist, get checked if you don't know what works on you or what doesn't. Understand your problematic areas, understand what are the skincare that you need, understand what is your budget to curate your skincare for yourself that you can put morning and evening and every day. So this plays a very important role. No matter what you do, if your skin is not good, you will feel underconfident. So work on your skin, not just externally, also internally. Internal skin care, body care in general is also very important. Eating right and all of those things. And the next bonus tip is to smell good. Most of the people doesn't take this into the consideration, and even if they do, they go for like a regular perfume which is cheaper and which is like which gives you not unpleasant smell but like not really good smells. Investing on scents and investing on body mist, body sprays, underarm rollers and all are very important aspects of your smelling good. So last but never the least, having a pleasant expression. You look at somebody, you have a smile onto your face, or even your resting face has to be very pleasant. That brings out the confidence in yourself and attracts people around you. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So until next time, stay tuned, take care, bye, love you guys, keep rocking.